Home styles to beef full videos, please subscribe, like and share.
Hey guys, welcome back to the cooking video. Recipe for today, some home style stew beef. So starting by add some vinegar, cut to the rawness. Yeah, I'll add some rain water and things. I'm starting by washing the beef and thing peeps. So the beef now I'm starting putting my seasoning and thing and now guys. Some Maggi season, Maggi chicken, Maggi all purpose, so I can cut up scallion, thyme, pepper and garlic also. Remember, home style stew beef is a recipe that is eatable, tasteable. Remember, please like and share. Watch the video to the end. Some add some brownie and think not really enough, guys. Please watch the video, like and share. Remember to subscribe. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. So I'm starting by mustard with beef and thing, guys. Well, they can use the gloves with me. Just I'm a normal and me use some my grandfather and my granny, and so also my father. And my father a big chef, right? Then they might teach me cook and thing. When I look at youth, used to climb on the dresser. And you know, it's a country, so you have to stop on dresser and thing, you know? Yeah, see, stew beef then, another update presentation, eatable, tasteable. Another update again, rice and peas. Alright, guys, see the beef come back now, I know. Yeah, so I'm going to cover it, make it go and stay for 8 hours. Some rinse off and some running water and thing. See the peas there, also, some garlic and ginger. Another update, guys, you see. Okay, so the beef and then well seasoned up and thing. So you know some add some another pot of some purpose as scallion, so thyme and pepper, the garlic and the peas that cook up and thing. Yeah, so up on the beef. Guys, you know so you can see a little curry in the pot and thing, but wash the pot, never on the break. Never on the break, guys, see the curry not come over, but at the end of the day, another update on the stew beef and thing. So add the stew beef to the pot and thing. So I'm going to tenderize it for 15 minutes. Well, the beef looks soft and thing, guys. Like the cow not really all is eat. The cow don't want to iron cow them. So you know, so I'm going to go and stir steam fry and thing now. So I have some carrot cut up and some Irish and some onion right there. So coconut powder, scallion and pepper there. Yeah. So another update on the beef again, guys. You can see. I'm not really put no water to it now, guys. The normal pot cover, I spring into one water itself, guys. See it. So I go and stir fry it and thing, I stir it up and thing, guys. You know what I say? Yeah. So you know, so right now, guys, I go lock it back, give it the next 5 more minutes. Come on, to catch color or me want it. Update on rice and peas there. Rice and peas are boiled up and thing. Yeah. So you can see all that recipe right there. So you can see what I go on the beef pot now. So you know, so we go add some water to it now. So we want the beef cooked till it gets soft, right? Because remember, say tough beef can't eat now, guys. So you're gonna lock it, you go and cook till it gets soft, alright? See rice and peas pot there. We test the peas down, let it cook. Because the peas look tough and things. So we add the coconut powder to it and things. So we start seasoning for rice and peas pot. Next step, we have scallion and thyme and salt and pepper. We have the Maggi season with taste and flavor. We have some salt, taste and flavor same way. Guys, the recipe is nice, eatable, tasteable, delicious. Rock it, make it go and boil, go down. See the beef there, bubble down and thing. Yeah. Guys, another update, see spice in there. That I put when the beef last, when the beef cook and get soft, we'll put the spice in. Right? So you know, so the beef soft and thing, and I really know all cows. So we'll add the seasoning, vegetable and thing to the pot and thing. Yeah, the beef is soft, it really soft to choke. One water, I'm cooking it, guys. One water alone. See the rice and peas pot, I boil and thing. This, you know, so when I go into custard and thing. Yes, guys, so make it Irish then cook, and your carrot then cook also. So we add the Maggi season to taste and flavor. Preserve combine, everything combined together, right? So I have some ketchup also. Right now, I like my ketchup in my pot, you know, not really enough. So same taste and flavor. Yes, everything combined together. Alright guys, so starting by washing rice and things. I don't know if wash out the start and things. So water I run and you know so wash the rice and things like that. Well, you want my rice to get clean, wash till it get clean. Some people wash it 5-10 times. Once my one gets clean, guys, but you know, so yeah, I can see. So you know, I'm pick the rice already, but I'm about to throw a part there. You know, we don't trash down a stone, kind of little. I say, guys, so say water I run and thing, I know, so right now, add the rice to the rice and peas pot. Yeah, rice and peas pot boiling, so add the rice and thing. Remember, please, if you turn up a pot and you put in the rice, that it don't burn up. If you don't turn the rice, it burn up. Another update on the beef, guys. So go down some more. So I'm going to stir up rice and peas pot, because I don't want my rice and peas burn up. Me like stir my rice and peas now, guys. So I'm going to lock it, okay, go and cook, go down. Alright, guys. Yeah. So I can see what I go on this 2 beef pot now. Well, look, presentation eatable, you can see. So I go and stir it up and things. The beef, the whole presentation, guys, soft and nice there. So I go lock it to go and cook. Eat for the next 10 more minutes, guys. I want to go down to gravy, but we don't want it too thick, guys. Yeah. So the beef there, well eatable, tastable, right? Come on, they are hungry, guys. Mouth I run water and I sun there. You know, some Sunday dinner. See rice and peas there. So if we want to go and steam out for the next 5 more minutes, another update again, guys. Here you can see. You see now this 2 beef pot and thing there. That go down same here. Another update again for the rice and peas, guys. So you know, you have to turn up the rice and peas now. Remember, make your rice and peas dry properly first before you turn it. If you don't make it dry, it'll go paka. So make it dry first, you can turn it up now. Yeah. Alright, guys, cover it down, give it the next 2-3 more minutes. You go and dry out the right here. Yes, guys. And well, I have some platinum fried, so some people normal cut in round sizes. So I turn them because I don't want them burns. Then well, crystal brown and thing there. When them burn, they're really nice. The bitter you see it, so you don't know, say, presentation of the key. So the part them look good and nice at the pattern we are turn them and thing, because you don't know, say, we have to turn them, guys. Alright? Yeah, remember to turn them. Don't make them burn up. And when them burn up, them don't nice. We don't like when them burn. So I saw me see my grandfather and my grandmother fry them, and my father. Because my father is chef, you know, big chef, you know. Big up yourself, my father, yeah. Love the cooking to the ground. Then the man there, some plantain dumpling them on the game. I tell the star, John, no. We miss them time when I look with a grow, you know. Yeah, so in the idea now, so I turn the platinum and fix them over and fix the pot and fix neat and presentation. Yeah. Guys, remember please watch the video to the end, like and share. Remember to subscribe to Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack. Alright guys. You know, so they are lumberjack, they are going themselves in the sun there, so you have to take the platinum and think we don't want them burn up. So I go and set them at the pattern thing. Guys, remember fix the platinum, make them burn, turn them. So when them burn, them don't nice, they will taste away. So end of the day now, guys, you know, so see this 2 beef are coming on quality presentation. And it's 2 beef pot ready, you can see the Irish carrot, you see quality of the beef. Right, I'm out there run water. You John no start. Guys, recipe look delicious, tastable, eatable, finger licking. I tell you guys, that's on there. Another update on the rice and peas pot. So I go on for rice and peas pot there. Like it want to and 2 more for it and thing. But in the day dinner ready, so please remember for like and share. See the presentation, the Irish carrot, see plantain, see the beef there, see the quality of the rice and peas there. Guys, right now I'm there. Can know. Guys, remember me, so 7 time rise, 7 time fall. When I believe in the falling thing, big up sexy body girl, and big up the true warrior, and big up Father God first and everything. Remember to subscribe.